State Executive Committee SEC jangka Voice of People Party WP kala mencur ya kecing terwa jangka State Election Committee halor ka kerteng jangka tiar bat skam marbo panlong ukurtong jangka party na benta Lok Sabha by election naga Shillong Parliamentary Constituency ka party kalarai hadin ka jingamir jingmut lang jang barok kidukot jangka State Executive Committee ka party sa sinpat kala karpat ya barok kidukot kinong kersan bat kinong sungsnong jangka jela bakin yai piteng biang ya kecing kersan bat ban ya trelang kenang bangin yo biang ya kecing job kebedan brom hakani ke by election kaban sawan